Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mullen. Today is Wednesday, March 27th, 2024. Today's topic, love that pink. Well, when I see pink, I know we have healthy granulation tissue growing. And how do we do that? We use the proper decongestive wrap, which facilitates the movement and the circulation of lymph, and it clears the pathways and increases oxygen, which is the best healer. When you see that pink, you know you're on the right track. In addition, you want to touch those nodules because after you take that wrap off, you're going to see that they're nice and soft. They're getting softer. And there's a little bit of movement in there. All of this is part of the proliferation repair process, which is very complex, and we're not going to get into it today, but just know that when you see pink, it's good. So if you have any questions about becoming an equine lymphatic therapist, email me at info@healequine.com. To learn more about our curriculum, go to www.healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum and dare to make a difference. Why? Because we can in 2024 believe in the possible.